Hi guys, so I'm just keeping my pet trained right now. Cause yeah, I'm going to do this like this. And I also buy the skills over here for Mighty. This crawl thing, like this. Look at that, it's so cute. Now she can actually lie. And okay, let's go. Stand. Stand. Stand please. Oh, he can't stand, no way. Come on there. Stand. Okay, it's okay. Come. Come, babe. Okay. So, guys, what are we doing? So, today I have got a lot of some black pearls that I got from the store. So, yeah, I got a lot of black pearls. And I'm going to be opening up a mystical pack. The mystical pack, the aqua pack, or the chocolate pack. I love the aqua pack because it's really, really beautiful. Like, yeah, it seems really, really beautiful. Wow. And now this. Okay, let's check it out, the mystical whistle. So here's the mystical whistle. I love the mystical whistle so much. I mean, it's not the mystical whistle. I mean, it's the mystical pack. Pack. Like that. So, I hope I don't get a duplicate. Because I hate when I have a duplicate, because yeah, I wanna don't have a duplicate right now. Okay, let's get a mystical pack in 3, 2, 1, go. I hope I got a beautiful pack. Whoa, what is this? It's an active pen. Whoa, cute. Okay, it's okay. Let's see. Wolfia. Okay, now this is the pet straits. I got a swim. It's predator, dig, and fast moving. Okay, let's check it out him. Okay, I'm going to get my face here. Okay, here. Camera. Okay, it's me. Now I'm here in the outside room, cause yeah, it's in my outside room. Yeah. Okay, so here I am. I'm really, really cute like that. Okay, sorry because the camera is over here. Why this phone is really, really ugly. Okay, let's check it out here. So this is the slots. I hate this one, so I'm going to go and do it Wolfila. Let's check it out, Wolfila. What do we do? This. Oh my god, this looks really, really cute. Oh my god, yeah. They look cute. Look at that. And yeah, it looks really, really cute. We got so much scales. Okay, I think I hate this pet because I love this panther one. Okay, let's do this panther one because yeah, I just hate it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so guys, I want to show you because I have a new horse this time. Look at my new horse. Look at this. Okay, sorry, I'm really ugly. This guy is really, really cute. Oh, it's Zoe. Oh, it's Millie Cadence. Oh, my friend. Hello, Mr. Effie. Oh, hi, I got it. Hi, I'm recording to YouTube. Hi, I'm recording to YouTube, you guys. I'm really, really cute. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Whee! I love it. Okay, guys, so I just opened up a weekly chest and I got this one. Now I got this one, and the other bone, yeah, the other account is this one. Yeah, this one is the pink dress one. I always want this one. This one. What is that? Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna go on some points here. I don't know how. I'm recording to YouTube. What is this? Hey, Misty Miracle. Okay, what is this? Lily Panics. Lily Panics. Okay, step off. Okay. Let's go. So, guys, I have a new horse that I want to have. That I just captured, and this is the horse that I captured. Looks so beautiful, like a baby kitten, like a baby kucing. It's actually really cute. Nah, it's not really cute because I love just the wings. Because I hope there's a beautiful horse in this world. Oh, there's none. Oh gosh, everyone is here. Okay, this is a free fight role play. RP role play. RP Rupiah. Okay, hi Ruby Foxy, I'm here. Ruby Foxy. Okay guys, I think this is done because yeah, I just want to get out right now to my friend here because yeah, I have to say hi to say hi to YouTube. Okay guys, that's it for open up a mystical pack. And yeah, hello YouTube. Bye bye. So I'm done recording this because I'm done opening up the mystical pack. The mystical pack looks really ugly, and yeah, I don't want it. I almost wanted. Oh yeah, this tiger, that tiger right over there, that blue one tiger. Like it's really beautiful that everyone has that tiger, but I'm not. Why? I kind of wanna. Okay, what is it? Just shut up. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay, goodbye guys. See you next time. Here's the face reveal.